So my name is Danny, retired fireman for 30 years in Hillsborough County, and I decided to buy me a toy. I did a lot of the work on it, but I've had it for about 4 years. It's got a 350 in it, pushing almost 420 horse. It's got everything in it, cams, everything in it. Everything's painted the same color as the car. I just had the center console put in it, and it's got air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, power seats. It's four-wheel disc with a 2-inch drop in it, and the sound system is all brand new. The air conditioning, and like I said, I had these people. Running Great does all my work right there on Nebraska, and they've done me real well. Had the truck done. I want to get the truck done a little better than what it is now, but that's a work in progress. Paint job in this car is 9 years old, and I've had it for 4 years. It stays in the garage, and pretty much just enjoy driving it. And it's a lot of fun with the stick shift. It's got a Rock Crusher 4-speed in it, and it's a lot of fun. It's got a lot of power. Not that I'm a power guy. I'm more of a looks guy. It's a pretty car to me. Yep. And I really enjoy driving the thing.
So why a 55?
Well, to be honest with you, what happened was I first started driving when I was 16. I worked at McDonald's, and I was in the 8th grade, and I in Tampa. And my dad had a friend that was selling one exactly the same color. The interior was black Roman pleated, and he wanted $600. And I was going to school and then working part-time at McDonald's. My mom said, if you want the car, it's $600. I'll take you to the bank to get the loan. She took me to the bank. I got the loan, and I paid $35 a month. That was my car payment. And one just like the same color, other than the Roman pleated black, and it had a 283 in it. Wow. So I figured now I'm retired. I do a lot of traveling. We do motorhomes and all that. And I bought me this year as my other toy.
Okay, all right. So how many car shows do you go to on that?
I usually go to about 4 car shows a month. I try to stay within 20 miles of the house. It stays in the garage, in a total enclosed garage with my motorhome and all that. And we cover it even at home, in the garage. Okay. Like I said, Running Great does all my work. And I can't say no more about them because they are incredible for me. Treat me right.
So if somebody else is thinking about getting a classic car, what would you tell them about doing it and going to car shows?
Well, I would try to stay in the middle of Florida as far as you're going to buy a car. I tried it down in Miami. I really didn't. I didn't like those cars down there because it looked like a lot of them were coming from overseas, and the quality wasn't what I really wanted. I found this one up in Daytona area 4 years ago. The original owner had it. I am the second owner for this car, and all the paperwork is here. And I enjoy going to the car shows and talking to the people, and it's just I get out of the house and I enjoy people seeing the car and you know, telling me how nice it is.
Absolutely.
So,
well, listen, I appreciate you taking the time to talk to me.
All right. Anytime.
All right.
We'll see you in another car show then.
Absolutely.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.